the part is equals to the session dot parts dot. Now let's understand a bit about the session. So this is it represents the next session, and get session is getting that session object. Now we have session. Now parts meaning you can see it actually returns the part collection belonging to the session. It means there might be parts active in the session. There might be parts which are not active in the session. Irrespective of that, it collects all the parts which belong to the session. Okay, you can see it returns the nx open dot part collection. Part collection means it is not just single part. It can be single part, but it can be several parts together. So that's why the return type for this is parts collection. Now I will use open. Now in this parts class, so this is a class that you can find in API reference guide. In this parts class, there are several members for open. Actually, there are many members. If you can use this intelligence and you explore yourself what all of this. But for now, we are focusing on open parts.open. So there are many members that start with open. So there is open, there is open active display, open base display, open display. So these all 5 we have to explore. Let's start with the first one. And we have intelligence that gives us information about this member. It opens an existing PRT part. So .prt, specifically it opens .prt, but does not set it to be active display part. Okay, it opens that, but it does not set it to active. Okay, so let's try with this open. And now here I have to provide 2 variables. First is file name as a string, and then its load status. So I need these 2 variables. So the first one is quite fine. I can go and get the file name. Okay, I think I copied it. Yeah. So this is the it's not just file name. So we have to be specific and provide the complete info. So it's along with file name, entire file location to fetch that part. Now this is the part load status. That's another parameter that we need to assign. So load status is parts that could not be loaded and their associated errors. So no need to go into the details. I just go ahead and create this variable. Dim load status as next open dot part load status. We will keep it as nothing, and we'll use this variable to complete my parameter required parameter for this API. This open API. So this open member is in parts class. Okay, so I have this now. So what I will do is will copy these 2 lines which I have written to open this part, and we will see the same in NX. Now I will paste those two lines here, and now I will play this journal. The part is not declared. Okay, I missed to copy this line, so I will copy that line as well. So now I will run this journal. Okay, so this journal actually executed successfully because we do not have any error as such to see, but no action in the in NX. So the reason for this is that it opens up that part, but it does not make that active. So this is a reason. In simple terms, I can say programmatically this part is open, but that is not made active in NX window. This is just for the it is not active. That does not mean that we cannot work with it. We can still work with that with the program, with the code, but we cannot work with that uh, as usual. What how we work with NX because that is not loaded. That is not active in a in a in a active NX session.